Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter power-choke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the fifth wheel hitch prep package, the camper package, FX4 off-road, and the Lariat Ultimate package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a nice tonneau cover with this vehicle and a bed liner with tailgate step, side bed steps as well. This vehicle does come equipped with the dually body style, those dual rear wheels. We got a nice bed camera up there as well with a nice the power deployable running boards that is gripped as well. Mud flaps on the front, side view camera, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light, and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front, we can see here we do have front park sensing, license plate bracket, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, flat fold storage system with floor mats, carpet interior. We do get those cup holders, heated back seats, rear vents, outlets, and 120 volt. Can fold that down for cup holders and arm space, and we do get a split folding rear bench seat. We also do get plenty of door space in the back with a nice B&O sound system. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front with power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. Got your lights, tailgate, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 17 kilometers. We do get this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, Trip and Fuel, heads-up display, and gauges. For your heads-up display, you can sort of kind of see it over there. Just limits your distraction so you can keep your eyes on the road. We do get off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got tons of storage. You got cup holders and 2 more if need be. Wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and it does close. Got that center console here with tons of storage, with a little LED light, and some outlets. Dry modes with 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, engine start stop, heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Storage above with the Super Duty logo. Storage below. And right here we do have 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please with a nice powered rear window opener. We also do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a nice garage door transmitter. Here we have our traction and hazards and a 360 view of our vehicle, which you can go for different camera settings. We're just going to click into the bed, which is pretty nice. You got that nice tonneau cover with it as well. And here you have your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Got your phone, navigation, fave apps, message and email, apps in general such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC92444, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.